Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the test of congruency. Congruent means what? Similar and congruent. These are the two words in the geometry. Similar means that the corresponding sides are equal, corresponding sides are in equal proportion. And what is the congruence? Congruent means they are exact equal, means exactly the same length, the same measurement, side as well as angle. Okay, so now we have to see that the congruent triangle, a triangle that have the same size and shape. This means that the corresponding sides are equal and the corresponding angles are equal. In the triangle, the corresponding sides are equal and the corresponding angles are equal. We can tell whether two triangles are congruent without testing all the sides and all the angles. We can tell the two triangles are testing by testing all the sides and all the angles of two triangles. In this lesson, we will consider the four tests to prove the triangle congruency. Actually, the five tests. One is SSS, SAS, ASA, AAS. It means that SSS means side, 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 angle, side, angle, and angle, angle, side test. Now we will see the first test, that is SSS test for the congruency. If three sides of one triangle are equal to three sides of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. In the diagram see, in diagram ABC and triangle PQR is there. Now see the similar equal here equal. Now see this AB is equal to which side? PR. It is mentioned by the one line. CB is equal to PQ. This is mentioned by the two line. And AC is equal to QR. This is by the three line. It means that angle AB. AB with which side? RP. Different. Listen, we can't say ABC is congruent to PQR because side AB corresponding side is RP. BC corresponding side is PQ and ACA corresponding side is QR, and therefore these two triangles are congruent by ABC, that is RPQ. Okay, they are congruent to each other. How? Corresponding is a very important word. Okay, now see in the second ASA, that is angle side angle test, state that if two angles and the include side means the side is included between the two congruent angle. The side should included between the two congruent angle. So if two angles and included side of one triangles are equal to two angles and included side of the another triangle, then that triangles are congruent to each other. This is a symbol of congruency. ऐसे two lines से और उसके ऊपर ऐसे sleeping yes. Okay, we can't write like this. It should be like this. Okay, this is a congruent. Okay, now see this. If you are taking the name here A B, sorry, A, this is your A, here B and here C. Okay, and here P, Q and R. So in this way, if you are observing, angle A is equal to angle, which angle? C here, the similar means equal sign is given there. So this angle A is equal to angle P, angle R is equal to angle C, and line PR is congruent to AC, and therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. So this is a congruency. And how to write it? We can write in the way that a triangle ABC is congruent to triangle P, Q and R. Understood? So in this way you have to write. Now side angle side test. This is the third test of a congruency. If two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to two sides and included angle of another triangle, okay, then we can say that the triangles are congruent. Okay, now see, an included angle is an angle formed by two given sides. Now see here, two sides and this is angle. Okay, this is correct, this is wrong. If like this it is not a SAS test. Okay, so this is totally wrong. Okay, this one is the correct. Now see that if the condition is like this, situation is like this, in between the two triangles corresponding two sides are congruent and angle including these two sides, दोनों के बीच में वाला एंगल अगर इक्वल है तो ही हम क्या बोल सकते हैं, द टू ट्राइंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट बाय SAS, साइड एंगल साइड टेस्ट. Now see, for the two triangles below, if AC is congruent with PQ, it is given here, see, AC is congruent to PQ. BC, where it is, BC is congruent to PR. Okay, BC is congruent to PR and C is angle which is the दो साइड के बीच में वाला एंगल C, एंड हियर दो साइड करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड कॉन्ग्रुएंट है और कॉन्ग्रुएंट साइड के बीच में वाला, तो सो द एंगल इंक्लूडिंग द टू साइड्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट. देन वी कैन से दैट अ ट्राइंगल, अभी एक AC है तो किस क्या है यहाँ पे, QP है. सो AC QP, क्योंकि C इज इक्वल टू P. देन CB PR. सो ACB इज इक्वल टू QPR. कैसे लिख सकते हैं, ACB इज इक्वल टू QPR. ओके, सो दे आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ईच अदर. और ABC इज इक्वल टू QRP. 1-to-1 करस्पॉन्डेंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. कौन सी करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड कौन से दूसरे एंगल के करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड से इक्वल है वो देखना है. ओके, P इज एंगल विथ Q, sorry, P is with A, Q with R, like that we have to see. Now see the next fourth test of the congruency, that is AAS test. State that if two angles and a non-included side of one triangle, non-included means दो angle corresponding, or it is a side not included in between the two another side. Okay, ए वाली और ए वाली कौन सी भी एक साइड और दो एंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट है तो हम उसको ए टेस्ट से दो ट्राइंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट है ऐसे बोल सकते हैं. सो इफ़ टू एंगल्स एंड जैसे इसमें इंक्लूडेड एंगल है तो वैसे यहाँ पे इंक्लूडेड एंगल और साइड है क्या, नहीं है. सो इफ़ टू एंगल्स एंड अ नॉन इंक्लूडेड साइड of one triangle are equal to two angles and a non-included side of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. Now see in the diagram below, if AC is equal to QP, angle A is equal to angle, see, AC is equal to QP, A is equal to Q and B is equal to R. Like this notation we can show about the congruency. एक ए साइड कॉन्ग्रुएंट है इसलिए एक एक लाइन मैंने मारी, दो साइड कॉन्ग्रुएंट से है तो मैंने बताया आपको. वैसे एंगल का भी वैसे ही है, आप यहाँ पे ऐसे कर्व निकाल सकते हैं. इट मीन्स दैट ए इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू क्यू एंड बी इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू आर. ओके, सो इन अकॉर्डिंग टू द डायग्राम व्हाट वी कैन से दैट ए इज विथ क्यू, बी इज विथ आर, सी इज विथ पी. सो व्हाट यू कैन से दैट इफ यू आर टेकिंग एंगल ABC, ए हुआ तो ए के साथ क्या है कॉन्ग्रुएंट, Q है. बी के साथ क्या कॉन्ग्रुएंट है, R है. और सी के साथ क्या है, P है. तो हम क्या करेंगे, ट्राइंगल ABC इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू QRP. ABC इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू QRP. हम QPR नहीं बोल सकते. वी कांट से QPR. A इज विथ Q, B is with congruent with R. Congruent means equal measurement. अगर AC 5 centimeter है तो your QP is also 5 centimeter. If your angle is 60 degree तो your this Q is also 60 degree. If it is a 50 then this is also 50. Means they should be a equal measurement. उसको congruent कहते हैं. ओके, सो 1-to-1 करस्पॉन्डेंस मीन्स ए के साथ क्या कॉन्ग्रेंट है Q, बी के साथ क्या कॉन्ग्रेंट है R, और AC के साथ क्या कॉन्ग्रेंट है PQ. एंड देयरफॉर यू कैन से दैट ABC, ए के साथ Q, सो यू कैन राइट ऑल्सो. ओके, ए के साथ क्या है 1-to-1 करस्पॉन्डेंस. वेट, हाँ, ए के साथ क्या है 1-to-1 करस्पॉन्डेंस, इसको करस्पॉन्डिंग बोलते हैं. ए के साथ Q है, बी के साथ R है और C के साथ P है. एंड देयरफॉर ट्रायंगल ABC is congruent with triangle QPR. आया समझ में? इसको बोलते हैं 1-to-1 करस्पॉन्डेंस और इसको बोलते हैं, अभी आपको लगेगा C इज नॉट कॉन्ग्रेंट ना, बट लिसन, दो एंगल कॉन्ग्रेंट है, ऑटोमेटिकली थर्ड इज ऑल्सो कॉन्ग्रेंट बिकॉज सम ऑफ एंगल ऑफ ट्राइंगल इज 180. सो यहाँ पे क्या इक्वल है, AC इज कॉन्ग्रेंट विथ PQ और QP बिकॉज A इज इक्वल टू Q. ओके, और इसका ऐसे लिखते हैं, तो हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. Okay, so you can write in this way also. Now next, now see if the hypotenuse and side of right angle triangle, listen, दो right angle triangle है. right angle triangle means दोनों में का एक एक एंगल क्या है 90 डिग्री. दोनों में का एक एक एंगल क्या है 90 डिग्री. if the hypotenuse and side of a right angle triangle is equivalent to the hypotenuse and side of the second right angle triangle, then two triangles are said to be congruent by RHS test. That is right angle hypotenuse side test. Right angle hypotenuse and side test. Wait 2 minutes. Now see in this diagram, this side is equal to this side, and hypotenuse is equal to hypotenuse, side is equal to this side, and one triangle is right angle triangle. If you are writing here A, B and C, and here P, Q and R, it means that A, B hypotenuse, this is equal to P, Q. Okay, then B, C, this is equal to congruent to Q, R, and angle C is equal to angle R because they are congruent, they are 90 degree, and therefore A, B, C is congruent with triangle P, Q, R. आया समझ में? So in this way also you can write. So students, in this way you have to study all these 5 tests of congruency. All you have to mention in your notebook, and tomorrow I will conduct the exercise on this basis. No need to send any homework because just you have to copy, understand. If you have doubt, then you can call me. Okay students, bye.